See, we'll continue with the chemistry's next part, which is very again easy to understand. We'll begin with enthalpy of, म्हणजे लास्ट पिरियडला मी इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एन्थाल्पी पर्यंत शिकवलेलं. टुडे विल स्टार्ट विथ एन्थाल्पी ऑफ ऑटोमायझेशन. नाउ व्हॉट इज एन्थाल्पी ऑफ ऑटोमायझेशन? सी स्टुडंट्स, गॅरंटी देतो तुम्हाला ह्याच्यातलं एक कुठेतरी डेफिनेशन शुअर शॉर्ट येतं एक्झामला. इट्स नॉट दॅट आय एम जस्ट टीचिंग इट अँड ऑल दॅट. One definition along with the example है compulsory है. In the exams it comes many times. It has appeared in the board exams also, and the syllabus hasn't changed. Okay, much. What is enthalpy of atomization? It is the enthalpy change accompanying when 1 mole of a substance is completely decomposed into 1 mole of a gaseous substance is decomposed into a number of gaseous atom. I'll repeat again. What is enthalpy of atomization? It is the what is enthalpy of atomization? It is the enthalpy change accompanied when 1 mole of a gaseous substance is dissociated or decomposed into a large number of gaseous atoms. Example, we can take like this: chlorine, gaseous substance, gets dissociated into chlorine atoms. The enthalpy of atomization, ATM लिहायचं, delta ATMH is equal to 240 kilojoule per mole. Example number 1. I'll repeat again. Enthalpy of atomization is the enthalpy change taking place when 1 mole of a gaseous substance is completely dissociated into gaseous atoms. The enthalpy of atomization is positive, given by 240 kJ per mole. Or we can take even methane also. Methane in gaseous form, students, methane in gaseous form gets dissociated into 2 carbon plus 4 hydrogen. Okay, here the enthalpy of atomization is round about 1660 kJ per mole, kilojoule per mole. These are the two important examples of enthalpy of atomization. Then we will begin with enthalpy of solution. What is enthalpy of solution? Enthalpy of solution is the enthalpy change taking place when we'll put here like this: 1 mole of a substance is completely dissolved in a given amount of solvent. I'll repeat again. Enthalpy of solution is the enthalpy change taking place when 1 mole of a substance is completely dissolved in a given specific amount of solvent. 1 mole of a substance is completely dissolved in a specific amount of solvent. That is called enthalpy of solution. Example. What is the example of enthalpy of solution? We will take sodium chloride, which is in solid form. It reacts or it combines with water. AQ म्हणजे water. The reaction is reversible, students, giving aqueous form of sodium chloride. The enthalpy of solution, delta SOLH, is equal to 4 kJ per mole, just 4 kilojoule per mole. So what is enthalpy of solution? It is the enthalpy change taking place when 1 mole of a substance is completely dissolved in given amount of specific amount of solvent. Next point, students, एक important point सांगते तुम्हाला कि we will discuss enthalpy of solution is divided into two types of enthalpies. Enthalpy of solution is divided into what? Two types of enthalpies. They are, नीट आहे का? First of all, what happens exactly? Enthalpy of solution is divided into enthalpy of crystal lattice. Crystal lattice enthalpy म्हणतात त्याला. Crystal lattice enthalpy and enthalpy of hydration. Enthalpy of solution is divided into two parts, that is crystal lattice enthalpy and enthalpy of hydration. काय प्रकार असतो तो? एक आयोनिक सॉलिड घ्या, लाईक सोडियम क्लोराईड, त्याला आयोनिक सॉलिड म्हणतात, वेअर द कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट आयॉन्स आर बॉन्डेड बाय ionic bond. Okay. Enthalpy of crystal lattice is what? You take an ionic solid Mx with M bearing a positive charge and X bearing a negative ion. It dissociates to form M cation, X anion. The enthalpy change associated is called as crystal lattice enthalpy. The enthalpy change accompanied is called as crystal lattice enthalpy. Then what happens? You know, enthalpy of hydration begins. Means the positive cation combines with water, which is in aqueous form, to form M X, or we'll put it like this, MH2O X plus MH2O X plus, even X minus, reacts with say anions, reacts with say some Y molecules of water to form we put it like this, sorry, X H2O Y minus. Got that? That is the thing here. Okay, this is your enthalpy of crystal lattice and enthalpy of atomization. Therefore, the total enthalpy of the solution, generally तो definition जे आहे, enthalpy of solution is equal to what? We can write it, enthalpy of crystal lattice plus enthalpy of hydration. Enthalpy of crystal lattice plus enthalpy of hydration. I'll repeat again and we will continue. पहिला definition तर clear है, second definition इधर revise करते हैं. What is enthalpy of solution? It is the enthalpy change accompanied when 1 mole of a substance is completely dissolved in a specific amount of solvent. Like for example, we have taken sodium chloride and we have prepared a sodium chloride solution. Enthalpy of solution is 4 kJ per mole. Okay, that's not an issue here. Enthalpy of solution is divided into two important parts, that is enthalpy, crystal lattice enthalpy and enthalpy of hydration. What is crystal lattice enthalpy? First of all, crystal lattice enthalpy is the enthalpy required, the energy or the heat energy required to break the ions, that is M plus X minus. Then M ion is surrounded by water, X ions is surrounded by water, and that is how hydration takes place. म्हणजे enthalpy of solution is divided into two parts, crystal lattice enthalpy which results in the dissociation of ion, and enthalpy of hydration which is surrounding of water molecules of the ion. That's it. Clear concept मुलांनो? That's it. Just look here. We'll continue with the next part, enthalpy of chemical reaction. Students, after this we'll be discussing enthalpy of chemical reaction. What is enthalpy of chemical reaction? Simple. एक साधा reaction घ्या पहिला. हे अशा हायलाइट म्हणजे कॅपिटल Okay. Now, what is enthalpy of reactants? Enthalpy of reactants is what? HR. Or we'll put it like this. Enthalpy of the reaction is equal to what? It is enthalpy, C, enthalpy of products with C moles, enthalpy of product D with D moles, minus enthalpy of A with small a moles plus enthalpy of B with small b moles. Meaning enthalpy of reaction is equal to what? What is this? Summation of enthalpy of product. Summation of enthalpy of products minus total enthalpy of reactants. So, what is enthalpy of a chemical reaction? It is the difference between the sum of the enthalpies of the products and the enthalpies of the reactants, where the reactants and the products are represented by definite physical shape as per their coefficients. I repeat again. Consider a reaction, reactants minus product gap, that will give you the enthalpy of the reaction, which is summation of enthalpy of products minus summation of enthalpy of reactants. That's it. Enthalpy of products म्हणजे, so what is enthalpy of a reaction? It is the difference between the enthalpy of products and the enthalpy of reactants, where the reactants and the products are represented in their standard form in proper coefficients. Where the reactants and products are represented in their standard form with proper coefficient. Ends the job. That is called as enthalpy of chemical reaction. Ends the job. Clear students? Okay. बाकी सगळं आपण उद्या कंप्लीट करूया. डन? ओके. एकदा बघून घ्या. That's it.